Mizoram State University Demand Committee lunglei chuan HPC Vice Chairman Puvima Somtluang muin State University chungchanga malak na kalme kan soipui baka State University muntur Melte an enhova HNT Minister Dr Vanlalthlana po in Mizoram State University a class kalpui ani fathe nan malak zel ani thuasoi Mizoram State University Demand Committee lunglei te hian July ni thum zirtop ni tu khan HPC Vice Chairman Puvimal Somtluang a hi achena ina muin Chief Minister in thil tul le poimo dangte aputa ada angin State University in a huam tel tur Cluster of Colleges a lunglei Government College le Mizoram Engineering College baka Government Jebona College tel nge ni sendu thuan thena malakpui turin angen ngalbok HPC Vice Chairman le MZSU Demand Committee lunglei te hian State University munma turarwa man Melte Government Jebona College Rambulami po amuna enhovin lungleya State University changtlung takom the nan kongshang shanga thoho zel dan tur le malak chungsom dan tur te ansoi ho bokani HNT Minister Dr Vanlalthlana po in July ni thuma Higher and Technical Education Department review meeting voi ni na ane puin na a Mizoram Engineering College to class tran thuai theitura kalpui mek ni in Mizoram State University din tharpo class kalpui ni vathe nan malak zelani thuasoi Higher and Technical Education Department review meeting hi HNT Commissioner and Secretary Dr La Rosa Machwana Kaishwaya Minister Dr Vanlalthlana chuan thu soin kan kaldan le malak na kan thir hova kan ennon hian kan chaka chu chuan minnor kal thina ti a HNT Department official te thoho thatna zara maso na duom tak tak Mizoram chuan hmu thu soin higher education tan thi top chho ani thua soi Minister chuan tun hnaya angeda assistant professor somthum parukla kan ni baka rusa assistant professor somnga pariat lak nge anni thule contract assistant professor za somsari da nge anni to thua soi bok